Hey, it's Mike with All American down in Savannah, Georgia, and today we are going to be using the brand new soft wash rig to wash this ugly roof. It's not that bad, but it's ugly enough to where the homeowner wants to get it done. And Mac's getting ready. This is the new soft wash 12-volt system with a 7.5 gallon 𝗪𝘀𝗀 pump. It's got a deep cycle marine battery that is also being charged with a solar panel. We've got a proportioner valve on the side that's got one tube going into the water, the other going into the chemical, and of course a soap bucket. We're going to get started, and it's as simple as flipping a switch. Mac is filling up the temporary soap. That's good. And we are going to use lemon cling, which does a great job in masking the bleach smell and thickening up as a surfactant. So we are going to pour that in. Yeah, it's a family day. We got Milo and Millie. We got Matthew, who I woke up so he can help water. McKenna's going to be the camera girl and the dog walker. So let's get started. We're going to work from the top down. This is a new system, so we are kind of honing it in with what tips work best. It seems to be working pretty good. I think we need to adjust some of the tips. Matthew is making sure everything is watered. Mac is about to start this next section. So it seems to be working good. It definitely does not have the power of a gas pump, but it's allowing us to regulate and proportion the chemical. Go back around here and see how this looks. That looks really good. I don't see but a couple spots that we're going to have to retreat. They're easy. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, so we learned a couple things today. Mac did. I learned some things as well, but what we also learned is that those soft wash lances are not as durable as pressure washing ones. So this was something new that Mac had used for the first time, and unfortunately they are cheap, they are brittle, and it broke. Fortunately, we were able to cobble together another wand so it could, hey B, come on man, this bee likes me. Anyway, we were able to cobble together a wand with some of the parts that we had on the trailer, so we were able to finish the job. The back looks outstanding. It will continue to clean with every rainfall. We do not rinse. I know some folks do rinse, but we do not rinse. We leave the chemical on the roof, and it continues to be activated with each additional rain, continuing to clean every single time it rains. So that's a great selling point as well. So with this job, we did the roof, we're doing the patio, we're doing all the concrete out front, and we're pressure washing the house. It was a fun one. Live and learn. I am a huge fan of gas-powered soft wash units. We put this one back on, or put another electric one back on this trailer just to have as a backup, but a lot faster with a gas-powered one, although you can't meter the chemical. That's good. What else did I want to talk about? We used that surfactant from L&H. Great job, soaked up, bubbled up, really got some good cling. You saw that in the video. Good dwell time for the chemical on the roof as it slowly made its way down. So that's a huge plus. And we also used a bleach neutralizer on all of the grass and bushes around the house after we did the extensive watering that we did. So that is just a little bit of insurance that makes sure that our customers' property is protected and we don't have to replace grass or any plants, because it's happened before. It might happen again, but with this product, hopefully we won't. So in a nutshell, it's an $850 job, small little house. Mac will probably be done with it by the time I am done filming this, and that's it. Yep, he has already applied chemical and bleached this entire side. He's not yet rinsed it. This side, yep, the entire house, probably in about 15 minutes, has been completely covered in chemical. Have you rinsed it yet?
I'm doing it now.
Perfect. How long did that take to chemical the entire house?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. And how long to rinse?
10 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes, guys. Then, of course, he's going to hit the concrete. This is not a large driveway, not a lot of concrete, but it's going to look great. What I do want to say, guys, thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe. Leave us a comment, like us. It's all good. We appreciate you. Let us know what else you want to see.